guys, and today I'm going to be trying more poptarts. Yay! I'm picking it up. And these are the TA I went to. Very marshmallowy. Oop, hold on. Sorry about that, I dropped something. But, yeah, these are real marshmallows. Oop, dang it. Dropped it again. What is up, guys? Scatter5 here. As you already know from the beginning of this video, you know what's coming. What's in this box. Yes, this is an unboxing video. But at this point, I have not yet laid eyes on what's inside the box. But you have. So, let's get to it. And here we have another box from Dino Queen Creations. I absolutely love that. We have marshmallow being roasted over a fire. And so good to be home. Let me out so I can get some more air. Side it says s'mores. Other side has s'mores drawn on it. Opening tool. So let's open her up. Now I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me here. So exciting. All these other unboxing videos I see people doing, and they stab it and tear at it and everything. I like it nice and clean. Just like that. This is one reason why I like it nice and clean. If I had stabbed it and tore at it, I would have tore this note up. S'mores, thank you so much for your commission. Again, I'm so happy to have the first angel dragon in the DQC family. I hope you are very happy with him. Your patience has been a gift. I hope it was worth the wait, and thank you for your support. I could not keep improving without customers like you who give me the opportunity. With love, Raven. So, let's open her up. Everything looks all nicely packed. Got a couple of things falling out. That must be from Roofur. Yes. The LED cheeks. They're in this suit. And came from Roofur. highly recommend checking them out. They got a lot of good stuff. Put that over there. Tape has come off of this. You're gonna get a close up of paws real quick, so I can correct this tape. There we go. So in the little pouch, paws all over it, we have a bunch of her cards. Go check her out. There's her information. She is awesome. And I'm not going to hold that up there forever. We have a paw magnet. Yay. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. This can go right up here with the other magnets. Perfect. Let's see. Happy Halloween. Hope you had a spooky holiday. That's awesome. There's a roofur sticker. The receipt. I'm not going to show you all that. Plan designs. A blank sticker. Guess I can write whatever I want on that. Yay. And that's what's in the little pouch. Shall set that aside for now. And there's the badge. It looks so cute. Set that on the side. There's a bag in here. There is a bag. Big red bag. Let's see what's in the big red bag. Oh, this must be the bandana. Oh, that's cool. It's a button bandana instead of tying in the back. Never thought of that. That's cool. Actually unbutton? It does unbutton. Very cool. Love the paw prints and the color matching scheme. That's awesome. Ah. Sorry about that, guys. My phone decided to say, I don't feel like recording right now. So, nothing's changed. Just now pulling out the feet paws. There's feet paw number 1. Check and make sure the hand paws aren't inside. I haven't seen the hand paws. Maybe somewhere else. There's feet paw number 2. Washing instructions. Yay. And a battery. I know what that's for. Still have not seen the hand paws, which I assume was probably either still in one of the bags or stuffed inside the shirt or maybe inside the head. So we're going to put and this is really, I like this. We're going to put this stuff back in here. We're going to get to the good part. Put you guys down for a second. Just for a second. So I can open this bag all the way up. There he is. so cute. Wonderful structure. I love how she did the follow me eyes. It's actually a cup. He's so soft. He's so soft. Teefies. His tongue. Let's see. Yep. My suspicions were correct. The puffy hand paws. I think that's a right hand. See if I can get my hand in it. Put you guys down for a second. Yay. Okay, we'll come back to those. And pulling out the second one. There's the second one. Put him over there. There's something dangling on his ears. Neighbor love from DQC. Yay. Look down here. Built-in balaclava inside. Is there batteries in it? Or it's still in it? I'm not sure. May have to put that battery that we got in it, which I'm not sure what I did with, because I'm a dirk. I'm sorry for the shaking around. Like I said, I'm kind of doing this one-handed, so yeah. We're gonna check and see if there's any batteries so I can show you guys. Nope, the battery's not in, so we're gonna need to find that battery. Put you right there. I'll look at big fluffy snoot while I look for battery. It's a big fluffy snoot. Oh, there is the battery. There is battery. I found it. Ta-da! I found it. So we are going to put battery in. Maybe put battery in. Do I fail at putting batteries into where they're supposed to go? Yes, I do. I fail. I just need tool. That should be it. Yep, that was it. So, I'm not worry about the backing on it for right now. There are buttons. Button. Who's got the button? Oh, there it is. There it is. The blushy cheeks. That must be the constant on. And then it off. And there should be one on the other side. If I can find it. There it is. There's the other one. Sorry, I had to pause it there for a second. So there is, that one is the constant on. Make it turn off again. And this one is the strobing. On both sides. Yay. They look so cute with the blushing cheeks. Focus. But yeah, that's s'mores the Dutch Angel Dragon. Yay! Boop. anyways, catch you guys later.